the final day in Dominican Republic. We are going to the mall to shop. Well, not me to shop, my friends to shop. I'm just coming going for the experience. Yeah, and that's it. I think we're going to a beach club after that. So yeah, that's basically it for the final day in the yard. The hotel is so nice. Like it's huge, it's pretty. The food is questionable, but it's still good. But after a while, you get tired of everything. Like the breakfast, you know how Jamaica hotels would have ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling, and yeah, they don't have things like that, obviously. So it's mainly just American breakfast that we keep on eating every morning, which is all that. But yeah, so waiting on a taxi for the mall, and yeah. Oh, and I want to try KFC in the yard and see if it's any good. So I'm looking forward to that too. So yeah, stay tuned. Souvenir shop, 3 for 10. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. big guy. No, he was sitting down, eating, watching his owner eat lunch.
No sé. Pero no es por aquí, ¿verdad que no? Miguel, ¿no sabrá? Alguno de ellos. Playa Blanca, Arena Blanca. Sí. Hot honey and pepperoni. Wow, interesting. Seafood truffle pizza. Wow, that's interesting. My pizza, guys, it looks so good. Oh, the burger actually looks amazing. Oh wait, The real nice pizza.
Yeah, it does.
it's the seafood pizza, seafood truffle pizza. Oh, you're doing the video. Get your burger too. Oh my god. That tastes amazing.
Bro, I always do that so you know what I mean.
Alright, so I win.
I told you.
It tastes good?
Of course it tastes good. You want to
wanna
taste it?
I would like to.
Yeah, you want to try it?
First.
It's kind of stretchy. You want to try it? It has shrimp, clam, calamari, squid.
You might have struggle.
It's good. Presentation is very nice.
It's really good.
¿Quién es? ¿No fue alguien que te escribió?
No, es un meme.
Ah. Envíamelo.
Pero se pasa.
Envíamelo para yo subirlo. What's one of I mean, I donate that money. See, me envía también, pero siéntame otra mesa.
Is it plus tax?
Is it good? Did you taste the burger? No, I mean the this? Yes.
Yeah,
like,
pero es nice.
Dame $19 if that's my name.
That's what you spend?
Que no, y con la pizza de centro, ¿verdad?
Oh.
No, eso es para subirlo. ¿Tú crees que tú son iguales?
Oh, sí.
No, que son iguales.
Dame Sophie phone.
Okay.
I've spent 38. What else would you get?
No, when I get that, no, I'm missing out on the money. So
Only if they have dessert.
No quiero comer. Tampoco. ¿Ok?
Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
no, yo no lo comimos. Yo no sé, yo pensaba que ellos habían comido tampoco. Entonces después me dijeron, no, tenemos hambre. Yo, ok. No.
Koshi asked you. Then how you know that's what you was asking? This burger looks amazing.
No, pero en serio, tengo que darle algo. Por eso mami tan pesada, porque es que yo no puedo porque estoy trabajando.
Para que vaya a la agropecuaria económica.
That's really good.
Ahí, yo diría que vaya.
You can taste the smokiness on the burger.
Te lo voy a decir tú.
No es nada, hermano. No le gusta el hombre. Suelta a vaina, tiene que estar pobrecito.
Watching the opening.
Por va.
In the R. KFC in the R. Gonna try it. Oh my god, they have an ice cream bucket. That's weird. It looks interesting. Let me see. Cookies, only cheap man, $308. They have so many, you guys. They have churros. Did you try the KFC yet? You know good? Okay, so I got chicken, regular chicken, and a chicken sandwich. This is what the packaging looks like. Let me try the chicken sandwich first. only come with pickle. It look like a Popeye's chicken sandwich. Tastes like a popcorn chicken. The sandwich tastes like a popcorn chicken. The ketchup looks funny. Oh, they give you 2 big pieces of chicken. Jamaica could never. Did you try the chicken yet? Is it good? It come with $10. Oh. Oh my god. You know I saw it and I didn't even mention it. Well, the chicken isn't bad, but
It's not KFC.
if KFC in Jamaica is at 10, this is like 8, 7. How much you gave the churros?
I love it. Can I get one?
Yeah.
But I wonder if it tastes good same way. Like none of it now.
Hot. Oh, so the KFC in Dominican Republic has churros. Has churros, apple pie, and ice cream. Jamaica KFC don't even have dessert. I think this is, and it comes with caramel sauce. Wow.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
It was really good and well packed. Like, it's hot.
It tastes really good though.
I'm going to the amount of ice cream. There's none of ice cream.
No, Harry sheet that. That's him sleeping. Him weird, he bring him sheet because he know like sleeping other people's sheet, but him sleep on it and just cover up with that. Churros are good now for the apple pie. Jamaica KFC used to have apple pie and they don't have apple pie anymore. Oh my god, this is so cute. Let's see if it's any good.
But the man was dead. What do you think you're sitting? Oh, it's supposed to be.
Oh, both sides is the style.
Alright, okay, I love the color. There's a light of color, but it's okay.
You want to try the apple pie? They have a Spanish kind of cinnamony thing about it. I don't even know how to explain it. It's not like a regular apple pie. It's like they use a different type of cinnamon.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, it's good. It's like the one from Burger King or Popeyes. But yeah. Oh shoot. Yeah. Well, Their KFC is okay. It's not terrible. It's probably better than American KFC too. It actually have like the original KFC flavor. Oh, their biscuit. Basically the same biscuit. They even had a famous bowl, but it came with, it was like a loaded fries famous bowl. So it came with fries and cheese and sauce and everything. That's way cheaper than the KFC in Jamaica, of course. So yeah, that's basically it. Our last night in, we are going home tomorrow. Woo. They are so pretty. And everything's so cheap, and there's no potholes in the road. We saw like one pothole on our way back, but yeah, it was a good trip. Time to go back to reality and go back to work. Okay guys, this is the end of this week's video and end of the DR vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed it. DR was so amazing. Going back home now. Please remember to subscribe and hopefully reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I appreciate you guys. Love you. Bye.